What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today's video is going to be another recap. Y'all already know what it is, but this time, y'all know I was already talking about going live. So I'll go ahead and go live Monday, and man, wait till y'all see what happened after all these green days. But I ain't going to talk about that right now. I'm going to let y'all see that in the video on my recap. But if y'all like the content, go ahead, drop a like with a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave something in the comments. I'll reply to the comments anyway. But let's go ahead and get into this video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So it is Monday, September the 14th, and I took two trades. Let's go over this. On the first trade, I took this pop-up to short it, and I was looking at this right here, trying to short against it. So when it popped up out the gate, I took a short, took it off when it came down here. So then I was looking for another trade, and when it went over the highs, I put an order out and got filled up here. So then the market kept pushing, and I put out another order for two more contracts and got filled. Well, I was looking for it to pull back. It started pulling back, but it was like it never pulled back to where I had my order setting at to take me out of the trade, and it started pushing up even more. So I put out another order, and again, it didn't come back down to get to where I was looking for to get out. So on the last one, I put in another order to make 4 entries, and I got smoked today, and it kept pushing up. So I just took it off for a loss, and I made money on this one, but I lost more on this one. So I got smoked today. Wasn't getting my normal pullback, which is weird because the whole time I've been sitting here paper trading the stuff, it was working for me. But today it decided it just want to shoot up 30 points without having no kind of pullbacks in it besides these little bitty dips of a couple dollars. So I ended up losing, what was it, $275 today total. On top of the first trade, I had made 60 bucks. So those my trades today. Hopefully tomorrow, I can get some better trades in. But these wasn't bad entries. None of them was bad entries on the way I trade. It just wouldn't pull back like it normally would. So I just didn't even try to take a third when it took so long before it even started pulling back. And I don't like to trade after 11, so it was already a wrap once it did all of this. But anyways, we'll see what we can get tomorrow. See if we can get some of the losses back, and we'll try it then. So it's Tuesday, September the 15th, and I took 2 trades. Now after yesterday, I was a little nervous about setting some orders out because I ain't want to get smoked again, you know. But anyways, on this first candle, it didn't push enough for me to get in any. So I waited for the double top to grab 2 contracts, and it finally started extending up off the opening. Then I added 2 more up here. If I look at the 2-minute or the 1-hour chart, it's going to be some resistance up here. So I ended up taking it off once it pulled back. Kinda wish I would have let one ride, but it's cool. I ain't even tripping about that. So then it got to pushing up again, and I waited for, once it pulled back right here, I waited for this area to break down and to take anything else. So I set an order down here and it got hit. And on the pullback, I just took that one off. And since it was so close to 11, I just went on ahead and stopped trading. So today I made some of my money back that I lost yesterday. I was kind of nervous all day about trading, but I guess we got to take them wins and them losses. But I ended up making $110 today. So hopefully we can knock out some of this from Monday's loss tomorrow. If you like my content, go ahead and drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment like I always say, you feel me? And we'll be back at this tomorrow, and I'll see y'all in that next video. All right, later.